Sucks, buddy.
Yeah. It's my first snow. Bad snowstorm. Can't see squat. Yeah. 240 would be done. .240 down there, covered up. Load that quad, huh? No, my beard problem. It's coming down.
Yeah, here it comes again.
Yep, this is that second wave. Probably gonna hit worse.
Cleared out.
It's probably gonna hit worse than the first storm last night. This is what I left Florida for, bro. Really?
You and me both.
Yeah, right? It'll be worth it once we break ground on that track, though. Told you. Spend our summers up here, running shit. I'll buy a house in Florida, and we'll live there in the winter. Fun, fun.